First time in the new house, so we thought we'd have another new house.
Sit down with them. Hold him.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
We've kept that very quiet for you, haven't we?
Seriously. Is that a real pug? Seriously.
You can pick it up, though. It's your stink bug. We were hoping you'd be happy.
Are you happy?
Seriously, could we keep that? Are we gonna keep that forever?
Tell him, he wants to be cuddled.
It's a boy. It's a
Go
boy.
on your bed. Go lay down. Everybody's soaking up the pug for a minute.
You get to pick a name.
Can you believe it, Elle?
It's her own pug. I don't have any other toys. I don't get anything else.
Yeah, you don't if you're talking like that.
It's a pug. And it's a boy, and you get to pick his name.
All right.
Go sit down. Dad refused to get a boxer, but he was okay with this one. Her name is Maggie. She's a silver lab. Look at me.
That's not even funny. It's not even. Top off.
Take the whole box off.
The top off.
It's a pet cream.
This is Bo. Come here, Bo. Come here, baby. Come here, little sweetheart. You want to meet your new mama? Do you want to meet your new mama? Huh?
Thank you so much.
Enough from them. They're me from mom and dad. You think you daddy?
Daddy, thank you so much.
To be kind of quiet because Carter's asleep. Okay? Okay. On the count of 3, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, everybody calm down.
I'm gonna name him Chocolate. Yeah, let me see.
This is from Careful, Careful.
It's a she.
It's a she.
It's a she. What are we gonna name her?
We're going to talk about that. We don't know yet.
I want to name her Chocolate.
Keep your hands covered, your eyes covered with your hands.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Singing Dixon and all his reindeer.
All right, on the count of 3, you'll turn around, okay?
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Might have to go.
You got her? Rick! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You are the worst person.
I try.